How's it going, guys? Me again, and today we are out at a beautiful spot and we're fishing for steelhead. It's one of my absolute favorite spots. I've been coming here for about 6 years now, and yeah, the run is on. We got some wicked weather coming later today. Got about a few hour window, so we're gonna get down there and we're gonna see if we can get some fish, guys. Hopefully we get some, and hopefully we get some good action. And yeah, we're gonna hopefully keep one. So yeah, let's get down there. Let's do some fishing, guys. Alrighty, guys, so we are down at one of my favorite little spots. We're gonna try for some steelhead today. That's our goal. Looks like we have some sitting in here, so we're definitely gonna try our luck. We got some major rain coming in today, so trying to get set up here before it gets too bad. Might keep one. Haven't decided yet. I apologize for my jacket again. Okay, so we're going to start with a float setup, and we're going to use, just had them out, there we go, pink trout worm with a bead. Get a few fish sitting in here, so it's definitely worth a try. Definitely worth a try. If we don't try, then we don't know, right, guys? Hopefully this does the trick here, guys. Never know. There's a log sitting right along here they like to sit in. They love to sit in here. Oh, fish on, guys. Oh, fish off. Ooh. Not a bad zone, guys. Not a bad zone at all. I like it. I like it. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Beauty, beauty, beauty trout. And she's landed. Yeah. Heck yeah, guys. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Heck yeah. On the worm. On the worm, guys. Can't complain with that at all. I'm gonna put it back in the net now. Get it back in the water. Nice meal. Beauty male. Nice, guys. That's what we came here for. Some beauty, beauty. Beauty steelhead. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful fish. I think this one we may keep. Not entirely sure. I think we will. So this one we'll get some pictures of and we'll keep. And we'll probably let the other ones go. Not too bad, guys. Not too bad at all. Let's get some pictures and get this guy dispatched. Alrighty guys, so we've dispatched him. Did pretty good. Not too bad. We haven't been fishing very long. I was hoping we were going to get into some today. Sure enough, we did pretty good. Put a new pink worm on. I'm just keeping them fresh in the cooler water. But yeah, let's see if we can't get another, guys. Who knows, guys? Who knows? All we could do is try, right? Oh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Net for this guy. Gonna have to take this guy out of the net for now. Gotta take this guy out of the net. Definitely gonna need the net for this guy. Fish on. Get on the pink worm. Oh. Oh, he came off. Came off. That's okay, guys. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. There's still lots of fish to be had. It's okay. Alrighty guys, so yeah, as you can see, I've switched over to a spoon. I've been trying for a while longer. Haven't gotten into any more. But I'm not complaining. It's been an awesome day. It's one of my favorite creeks to come for the Steelhead run. We got about a 2-hour window and there's supposed to be a lot of rain coming. And that should get some, hopefully some fresh fish from the lake coming up. Get them pushing up. I'm gonna continue here for a bit, see what happens. The good old pink worm did the trick this morning, but hasn't been doing the trick for a while. That's why I switched over to the spoon now. Sometimes I do pretty good on the spoon. So, yeah, we're gonna keep going up. Hopefully we get some more fish, guys. Fish on, guys. Gotta try to beach him. Nice big male. Gonna try to beach him on the spoon. On the spoon, guys. Nice big male on the spoon, boys and girls. Nice big male on the spoon, boys and girls. Nice big buck. Come here. Come here. Come here. Relax. Jesus. On the spoon, boys and girls. Absolutely gorgeous. Another male. Another male. I'm not gonna bother taking pictures of this guy. He's pretty beat up. So get him back in here, guys. There he goes. Beautiful male. On the spoon. Cool. Let's see if we can get some more. Alrighty, guys. It's not a bad day. Got 2 nice males. Lost a nice female. But yeah, 2 nice males. I can't complain with that at all. That's a pretty good day. The one was looking a little rough. Been through some stuff, but nice big healthy male other than being scarred up and marked up. We've been doing pretty good. Spoons worked out for us, as well as those good old pink worms. Yeah, so So yeah, I'm gonna work my way down the creek here, and I think it's time to get ready to go here soon. I'm gonna try a few more of these holes and see if we can't get anything else, but if not, I'm pretty happy with today. I love steelhead fishing, guys. Alrighty guys, so that's it for today. We got ourselves a nice keeper, can't complain, perfect eater. And yeah, so that's it for today. 2 fish is definitely better than none. So without any further ado, we're gonna get out of here. And until next time, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, keep having that spin, spun, fishing fun.